So we are at part 5 of this video playlist series, How to Start a Blog in 2019. If you missed the first 4, go back and check those out. We have done all of our basic setup on the right-hand column there, everything from title, intro, excerpt, meta description, image, categories, tags, and now we are going to move into the blog format itself, okay? So this is, guys, this is my formula. This does not mean that you can't do things your own way. This does not mean you can't learn another formula. This does not mean it's the only way to rank on the search engines. It's just my formula. It's what I have learned time over time, works well, creates a good user experience, ranks on the search engines. And I'm always tweaking and customizing and figuring new things out. For example, I just added WooCommerce to all of my websites. And WooCommerce is how I'm able to add products. And it's so cool. Awesome, awesome. And I love it. But that wasn't there previously. And now it's become part of my affiliate marketing effort. So you might see things in here that you like and want to use. You might see things in here you don't need. And that's okay. All right. But all of the years that I've been teaching how to blog, how to rank on the search engines, how to generate leads online, I've been teaching real estate agents how to get leads and coaches and entrepreneurs, and they always ask me the same thing. Where can I get a step-by-step how-to of everything you do? How do you blog? So this is the best way I can think of to give you the step-by-step is to record it all in this playlist for you, and you can take it one step at a time. All right? Okay. Now, we are on WordPress Gutenberg, and WordPress Gutenberg is my favorite because of the content blocks. What content blocks allow us to do is change the look and feel and functionality of a piece of content. If I wasn't using WordPress Gutenberg, this would just be a plain, boring article, and maybe I would put in an image or a video or make something bold or italic, but content blocks allow us to do a bunch more. And I'm going to show you how they work and why they're important, okay? So first thing is we have title and then we have intro. For me, I almost always put a video here, okay? Video increases dwell time. If somebody watches the video, they're on your page longer, they're on your website longer. That's a positive quality signal that that person is finding your content valuable, which could affect search engine rankings. Debatable whether or not that's an actual ranking signal or not. But since RankBrain is measuring quality, I would think dwell time is absolutely something it looks at, how long somebody spends on your website. We know people want video, they find video valuable, and so to have it on the page in case they want to watch something is definitely a benefit. Audio, I'm also starting to get into more audio and embedding audio on there as well. I like people to have, some people are visual learners, audio learners, some people like to read, so giving them multiple options adds value to our reader, right? And I'm obsessed with adding value to our reader, and that's why I think my content does well. All right, so what I do is I go over to YouTube. Now, if I've made a video, I'll use my own video. If I haven't made a video, I'll use somebody else's video. So up here, I'm going to type in free keyword tool. Okay. Now, I'm going to take a look and see what I might be interested in using. Okay, so I'm seeing lots of obvious options, but I think I'm going to try something a little different. Let's try this one, short demo for keywords everywhere, because keywords everywhere is going to be one of the first ones I put in there. So let me see what this one looks like.
Hi guys, it's Vanessa from Keywords Everywhere, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily install our browser add-on for either Chrome or Firefox and get yourself free search volume, CPC, and competition data from almost all sorts of keyword research tools out there, as well as Google, directly from Google search, not altering any more things. Instances for happening again is click on the star, so I'm just going to we're able to find.
Okay, so I like this. Now my aha is that I need to check if they have an affiliate program because looks like they have a free version and a paid version. I use their free version, and I love their free version. So what I like about this video is, one, it's not a competitor. It's not another person in the same space. It's actually the people that made the tool. The fact that they made the tool is going to make it more accurate than putting somebody else on here. And if they have an affiliate sign up, then I'll be able to use that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and go with this tool right now. I'm going to click share. Okay, now there's several ways to put this in. The easiest way is to use a Gutenberg block. So I'm just going to click YouTube, and I'm going to click copy. Now, if I wanted to, I could tell this video to start at point 2 or start at 3 minutes or start at the beginning, depending on where, you know, if you want to get past the sales pitch or whatnot, you could have it start at a later spot. But I'm just going to click copy. Now I'm going to go back to my post. Now, you're going to get to see how we use Gutenberg's content block. Click the plus sign. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just use the embed code because this is pretty new, and I'm still finding some issues with the YouTube block for some reason, but the embed block seems to work well. So I'm going to click embed, and it's going to say paste the URL there. We're going to click embed, and boom, the video is going to show up right where we need it. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's going to resize automatically for mobile. Perfect, okay? Now here we can write a caption, and I can say, watch this video to see how keywords everywhere works. Something like that, okay? So almost always at the top of the page, I am going to use a video or an image. So if I can't find a video, this is going to be a spot for an image. It could be a screen capture image. It could be whatever I want it to be, but I'm always going to do something visual like this at the top, preferably a video. Now, you might ask, is it okay that we just took her video and pasted it on our blog post? And yes, it absolutely is. In fact, it's a benefit to her because what happens is YouTube has a shared license. And if you load your video up into YouTube with the permission on to allow other people to embed, which most people don't even realize there is a permission setting for that, then we have permission to embed their video on our blog. It does not mean we can change their video. We're not stealing it. It's kept in its current form, and it actually counts as a play on their YouTube channel. It's simply embedded. It's framed in here, but it's actually still playing from YouTube. So they get more plays on their video. So it's absolutely okay, and it's of good ethic. It is a good thing to do. What's not okay is taking this video, chopping it up, adding your own stuff to it. That's a whole different set of permissions, okay? So this is how we like to do it here. And now, underneath the video, the next thing I'm going to do underneath the video is I'm going to put my call to, oops, let me get down to the next content block. We're going to add another content block, and I'm going to add some sort of call to action. Okay, so this could be a button, it could be a free ebook, it could be it's whatever I want people to do on this page is what I'm usually going to put underneath that video. That's the first spot I'm going to put that call to action. Now, what we can do is we can just go down to buttons. Let's say we want to put a button in here. So click button. All right, now, what do you want the button to say? I'm going to put on here, get your free keywords everywhere Chrome extension. Okay, now let's just say maybe I have an affiliate link. And the whole reason I'm creating this blog post is because I want to generate business through my affiliate link. So here I'm going to put in whatever that is, keywords everywhere, affiliate link. Okay, now that's one way to do it. Now watch this. After we create, let me show you something really cool. This little thing popping up here is called Thirsty Affiliates. I'm going to put a link to Thirsty Affiliates in this video. If you do make a purchase, it does benefit me. All of my links that are affiliate links do benefit me if you make a purchase. I'm going to click right here, Thirsty Affiliates, and it actually will give me all of my preset affiliate links so that I don't have to remember all of my affiliate links all the time. I can automatically link certain keywords, or I can put it in there manually. So let's just say I'm going to make this the SEM Rush. I just need to grab a link. All right, SEM Rush. All right, so then it would automatically put that over that. See how cool that is? Now you can change your buttons colors. This is only in that color because it's showing me that it's highlighted the link, but your visitors will see that all in white. So get your free, you could make your button blue. You could make it gray with black letters. So you can play with these two colors. Orange buttons work very well, but you might want to just stay with the theme, whatever your color theme is. I'm using a lot of green, so I'm going to use green on mine. Okay. And then you can save this as a reusable content block. So you can click up here on these three dots. You could go to add to reusable blocks, and then you save this as SEMrush button or keywords everywhere button. And then anytime you ever want to use it again, you just go to reusable blocks and you drop it right in there. So this makes your blogging so much easier. So the combination of WordPress Gutenberg, being able to add those reusable blocks is killer. And Thirsty Affiliates, being able to store these in there so that they automatically link for you, or that you can drop that link in there, is also really cool. Okay. There are a lot of other calls to action we can use up here. I'm going to show you a couple more as we go, but I do enjoy putting a button on the top. One other option you could do that I'll just show you really quick before we move on, instead of a button, if you wanted to, especially you could link to another article on your website. You could have the user fill out a form. You could have them download a guide. There's all kinds of things, but you can also insert an affiliate banner here. So you might have reusable code. In my case, I have, I know I've got a banner on here. Let me see. Here's a banner. So maybe my whole goal for this page is I want everybody to come sign up for Wealthy Affiliate, which is an affiliate forum that I belong to. Maybe that's my call to action there, and I would put that under there instead. Lots and lots of ways to use your call to action, but what you want to make sure of is that no matter what it is that you're doing, it matches the goal of that page. So my page is free keyword tool. I want to rank for free keyword tool. What do I want people to do when they're on this page? I want them to sign up for X keyword tool, or I want them to download my free keyword tool list or guide or something, or I want them to attend my free SEO training next week or my paid SEO training next week. This is how you're going to control your call to action, and then we'll be able to put those somewhere else in the blog. But for today, that's what I wanted you to see on this series. That's how you embed a video, and that's how you include your call to action. Now you can move on to the next video in this series.